Hello students, we are learning our ninth lesson, that is playing with numbers. And in the first part we have learned about the how to solve the given expression including various operations. Students, we have learned about the BODMAS. BODMAS means solve the given expression by using this order. BODMAS, bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, and then in last we have to solve subtraction. Students, in this part we are going to learn more about factors and multiples. Students, what is mean by factor? Factor of a number is a exact divisor of that number. Yes, and 1 is the factor of every number. So students, let's see how to find all the factors of the given numbers. So let's students, we will solve from the exercise second question. Write all the factors of given numbers. So first we will solve the factors of 16. So students, as I said you, factors means numbers in which table the given number is coming. Okay, so in one table 16 times, then in two table 8 times 16 is coming, then 16 is coming in 4 table 4 times. Maximum you have to check up to 10 table. Okay, in which table how much time it is coming, that both numbers are factors. Okay student, so you can see here factor of 16 is, now when we are writing the factors, that we have to write in the proper sequence. So 1, 2, 4, as 4 is given 2 times, so we will write only 1 time, 4, 8 and 16 itself. Okay student, always factors are starting with the 1 and its last factor is number itself. Let's see another example, 48. So factors of 48. As I said you, we have to start from 1 to 10 table only. So in one table it will come 48 times. In two table, means if we don't know what we have to do, we have to divide this number by the 2. So 2 multiplied by 24. Then 3 multiplied by 16, means in 3 table 18 times 48 will come. In 4 table 12 times, and after 4 it will come in the 6 table 8 times. Then it will not come in the 7 table or 9 table. So students, all the factors we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So our answer will be factors of 48 are these all numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So such a way we will find out the factors. Now multiples. What is mean by multiples? So students, multiples of a number are numbers obtained by multiplying it with the natural numbers. Yes, if we want to get a multiple of any number, then that number we have to multiply with the all natural numbers. So let's see some examples how to write the multiples. Our next question is, write the first 6 multiples of. So students, in the third question we are finding the 6 multiples. So for example, first one is 4. So required multiples will be, as we know, to get the multiples we have to multiply with the natural number. So 1 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 4 and 6 multiplied by 4 will be the multiples of 4. So answer will be 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20 and 4 6 is 24. Same for the 18. required multiples are 6 only. So we have to multiply natural number up to 6 with the 18. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90 and 18 sixes are 108 are the multiples of 18. Let's students, we will solve our next example. Fifth one. The product of two numbers is 48 and their sum is 16. Find the numbers. Yes, in this question we have to find the numbers. So students, as they given product of two number is 48. So product means multiplication. So which here we will write which numbers are giving us answer 48. So all the factors we will write here. Like 48 is equal to 1 multiplied by 48, 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 24, 48 is equal to 3 multiplied by 16, 48 is equal to 4 multiplied by 12 and 48 is equal to 6 multiplied by. So all the possible numbers of product we wrote here which gives us answer 48. So and second condition is their sum is 16. So we will see here condition second. So we will check here which product will give us sum 16. So check here students, 48 plus 1, 49, 24 plus 2, 26, 16 plus 3, 19, 12 plus 4, 16 and 8 plus 6, 14. So students, this pair is giving us sum 16. Means this numbers pair is completing our both the condition. So the numbers are 4 and 12. It means the product of 4 and 12 is 48 and the sum of 4 and 12 is 16. So students, answer is 4 and 12. Lakh 23 is divisible by 23. We can write 23 lakh 23 like expanded form 23 lakh plus 23. This 23 lakh we can write as a multiplication 23 multiplied by 1 lakh and this 23 multiplied by 1. Why we wrote like this? Because we want to take this 23 as a common. So as a 23 is in both sides, so we will take 23 as a common. So 23 multiplied by in bracket 1 lakh plus 1. Now in the next step we can write 23 multiplied by 1 lakh 1. This 23 multiplied by 1 lakh 1 is showing these both are the factor of 20 lakh 23. So students, it's clear here this 23 will completely divide to 23 lakh 23. So our answer will be yes, 23 lakh 23 is clearly divisible by 23. Next, same like this example we can solve here 10th one. Without actual division, show that each of the following numbers is divisible by 8. So students, we will solve here second examples. Second example is 56,008 is divisible by 8. Same here that 56,008 we can write 56,000 plus 8. We can write this number 56,000 we can write 8 multiplied by 7,000 plus this 8 we can write 8 multiplied by 1. We can see students here 8 is here also and in this another part also. So we can take 8 as a common. So 8 multiplied by from this group 7,000 plus from here 1. So our step is 8 multiplied by in the bracket 7,000 plus 1. We can write this 8 multiplied by 7,001. So this multiplication is also showing these both are the factor of 56,008. It means it is clear here 56,008 is divisible by 8. So students, like that you can solve remaining both examples. Students, now we will learn our next exercise, that is divisibility test. Yes, in this exercise we will learn more about the divisibility test. So students, before starting this exercise, we should know what are the even numbers. So students, all the multiples of 2 are called even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Then what are the odd numbers? Numbers which are not divided by 2 are called odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. So let's student, we will learn now one by one all the divisibility test. So first,
divisible by 2. If last digit is even, so number divided by 2. The sum of the all digit is multiple of 3, then number will divide by 3. Divisible by 4. Number should be even and last two digit should be multiple of 4. If the last digit is 5 or 0, then number will divide by 5. Divisibility of 6. Number should be even and it must be divisible by 3. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, then whole number will divide by 8. If the sum of all digits is divided by 9, then whole number will divide by 9. If on unit place 0 is there, then that number will divide by 10. If the sum of odd place numbers and sum of even place numbers, their difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then that number is divisible by 11. If the number is divisible by 3 as well as 5, then that number is divisible by 15 also.